Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings and liking the readings regularly. So, let's see what the oracle cards have messages for you. Passion. Trust and follow your passion. Maybe in your career you have made some plans or you want to make some changes. So the cards are saying go with that. But let's see. I would like to pull one or two more cards. Notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings. Okay, let's just pull maybe one more card. Okay, chakra clearing. So, overall, when I see this, the first thing what I'm getting is you need to work on your chakras. You need to clear your chakras. You need to balance your energies in such a way that all your chakras get cleared and the ideas that has been pending for long gets activated in your mind. Gets activated in your mind, and because of which, what will happen is whatever is the guidance that the universe is giving you, you will come to know. Because see here, if you see, notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. Maybe sometimes some things will come in your mind as that, I should not do this, I should not behave in this way, this is not the right way to talk. Something will come where your inner heart will say, no, don't do it, don't do it, but you will again end up doing it. So today, see what is that pattern which the universe is telling you and don't do it. Stop doing that, or do what the passion is asking, what your inner feel is asking you to do, and work with full passion. Today I feel, when I see this card, I don't feel career passion. I feel you need to work on yourself with your family members. Your loved ones need you. You have not been spending time with them and you've been fully stuck with all the chaos and confusions in your mind. So today, take out some time, maybe go for a nice dinner or go for a nice outing, spend some time in the park or the beach. Just be with your loved ones, love them, take care of them, and I'm sure your day is going to be super good. Have a blessed day.